When data becomes the new oil, 99% of enterprises are stuck in front of the iron wall of anti-crawler. Today, we will show you the industry-level solution, LunaProxy Web Unlocker.
High-intensity anti-crawling strategies lead to data interruption and business suspension. Traditional proxy solutions face three major weaknesses: fingerprint recognition failure, IP pool pollution, and legal compliance black holes.
What is Web Unlocker? An AI-based proxy solution that accesses and collects public data from any website through proxy-like integration. It is ideal for saving time and money on development and infrastructure maintenance. First, go to the Proxy official website and click the dashboard button to enter.
When you enter the Web Unlocker page, click Free Trial and enter your company or personal information to get a free trial experience. Then return to the Web Unlocker page. The remaining functions include request configuration, sub-accounts, and usage tutorials. You can configure by setting up sub-accounts. You only need to fill in the account name, password, and set the account status. If you don't understand it clearly through the video tutorial, you can also enter our text tutorial to configure the Web Unlocker according to the text prompts. After you set up the sub-account, return to the request configuration page. Here you can set the request type, access directly through the API, or access based on the local proxy. Select the country or region you need to use, select the sub-account you just set, and then paste your target website in. Find a request example in the request position on the right. In the Web 3.0 era, the core of the data war is the technology arms race. Click the link below to get the Web Unlocker solution and let your data engine run at full speed. Thanks for watching.